Hi guys, are you going to appear for NIFT Entrance exam this year? Or if you're just getting frustrated or struggling with your last minute syllabus revision, you are at the right place. On a huge demand, we at Artistic Zone have decided to come up with a complete live interactive 15 days crash course which is going to start from 20 January until your examination. This crash course is for those students who are self-doubting themselves, who are still not prepared mentally for this examination, who still needs that last minute pep talk. So right now you must be wondering, if you're watching this video for the first time, who am I to talk about NIFT preparation and guidance? So I would like to introduce myself first. I'm Shrestha Singh from 2017 to 21 batch. I studied fashion design from NIFT Delhi. So ultimately I'm a NIFT Delhi alumni. In 2017, I cracked this examination with rank 48 in general category. That was my all India rank, which was quite a big deal for me at that time because I was also declared Bihar toppers. So yes, I'll be also sharing all my experiences, tips and techniques in this crash course. You'll be getting live interactive classes on a daily basis. 3 days will be your CAT class and 3 days will be your GAT class. We'll also discuss previous year question paper or Artistic Zone mock test and guest question papers will be also provided to you guys just to get an idea कि कैसे type के questions आ सकते हैं exam में. I will be guiding you guys step by step in a sequential format. जितने भी आपके topics है CAT and GAT से related, everything will be taken care in this crash course. जितने भी topics हैं, सारे के सारे topics से related I'll be sharing the presentation ideas, किस तरीके से आपको वो particular question solve करने चाहिए exam में. Everything will discuss in this crash course. So if you also want to create a benchmark in your examination, you can join our crash course. This crash course will definitely help you guys. This year also हमारे crash course की ही student, her name is Trisha, she got rank 1. You guys can simply WhatsApp us on this number to get all the details regarding this crash course. I'll also put the form link in my description box below so that students who are planning to appear in 2024 can also attend our demo classes. So that's it for this video guys. Hope to see you soon in the class. Take care. Bye. Wish you all the very best.